Exposing the truth behind your favorite snacks. Ready to be shocked? Ultra-processed foods are everywhere, from fizzy drinks to those irresistible cookies. But have you ever thought about what's really in them? Ultra-processed foods often contain ingredients you wouldn't find in your kitchen, like preservatives, sweeteners, and emulsifiers. Sounds a bit scary, right? These foods are often packed with calories, saturated fats, salt, and sugar. Not exactly the recipe for a healthy diet. Eating too many can increase your risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and even heart disease. But don't panic. Not all processed foods are bad. Wholemeal bread, higher fiber cereals, and baked beans can be part of a balanced diet. So, what's the takeaway? Aim to eat more fresh fruits, veggies, and whole grains. And when you do reach for a snack, think twice about those ultra-processed goodies. Stay informed, stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.